Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. In this bag, I've got something from Huawei. I have the brand new Nova 3E to unbox for you guys. But wait, I've got another one in here to give away to one of you guys. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can get this. There is little doubt. At the moment, Huawei is on a bit of a roll because recently we've seen them release a range of new smartphones, very interesting ones, and this is one of them. So in this video, I want to give you a quick unboxing and first impressions with the Nova 3E. And you can see in the box, you've got the SIM ejector tool, the power brick, a USB-C sync charge cable, and an included in-ear hands-free set. And this model comes in two beautiful colors. The first one you can see in my hand, this beautiful, vibrant Klien blue, which I think looks absolutely stunning, and a black, which I'll show you later on. But essentially, you've got an LCD screen, a 5.84-inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2280. That gives you a full HD plus screen, which is really good at this price point. Now, bear in mind, it's not an OLED display, one that you'd find in the higher-end Huawei smartphones. It is an IPS panel, but you know, it's perfectly fine at this price point. You might notice some of the limitations of that display when you're out and about, but for most uses, it's perfectly fine. Now, if you're a big headphone jack fan, you'll be pleased to know that Huawei have included the headphone jack with this Nova 3E, so you can celebrate and use your own headphones. But essentially, the build quality is actually really good. You've got a glass back and front panel, and then you've got a metal unibody. Now, as soon as you power on this device, you're going to notice that display. And Huawei have done something that a lot of other Android manufacturers are currently doing, which is including a notch. Now, the notch is not to everybody's liking, but there are some advantages, namely the fact that there are reduced bezels on the side, which make it easier to use with one-handed use and also give you more screen real estate, which is something that, you know, actually adds and enhances the function of using your smartphone. Bear in mind, this still has the lip down at the bottom, and it would have been nice to see that go, but we'll see how we get on with that. Now, also on the front is a whopping 16 megapixel camera that also doubles up as a facial recognition way of unlocking your smartphone. I'll demo that in a moment because that's really impressive. On the back, you have a fingerprint scanner, and you also have a dual lens camera setup. Now, you've got a 16 megapixel sensor, which features an f2.0 aperture, and then a second camera with a 2 megapixel f2.2 sensor, and that helps to create more bokeh effects, which is something that I'm really keen on testing out with this smartphone. So stay tuned to the upcoming video review. Now, as far as the Nova 3E is concerned, you also have right out of the box EMUI running version 8 and Android 8 as well. So it means that you're good to go. That 16 megapixel front-facing camera houses a f2.0 sensor and a wide angle, which will allow you to get more people in your selfies. And that camera is used for facial recognition. Now, we're super fast setting this up. And check this out. Have a look at how quick it is to unlock your device. Now, this was really interesting. This has to be the fastest setup and the fastest unlock that I've ever experienced, but I'm really keen on testing this out again in my full review, so do stay tuned to the channel to see if it really is as good as it seems. So this is the second color that Huawei sent me. This is the black version, and this is more like a piano black, and you can see it looks really nice side by side with the blue. You can pick these up. They're available now for around about 1,200 dirhams locally, but I have one to give away to one of you guys, and the giveaway is really easy and simple. First of all, you need to be following me over on my Instagram account, so I will leave a link down below. Go and follow me on my Instagram account. Go and find the picture that looks just like this and comment down below. All you need to do is comment with why you deserve the Nova 3E and tag one other person. Now, you have to obviously be following me on Instagram and on my YouTube channel here, so I'll check those out. Now, I'm gonna run this giveaway for about 2 weeks and then announce the winner over on my Instagram account. So if you want in with a chance, follow the instructions and good luck. Stay tuned for about a week or so when I have a full review of this smartphone coming up. Until then, I'm EMKWAN. See you soon. Peace and blessings.